Press the inching button to open the forming mode. Then we start to unload the mold. Loosen the air pipe. Loose the bottom forming mold screw. Need to worker to do loading. Then we prepare to unload every mold. Loose the screw. Take out the mold. Then we begin to change the upper forming mold. Loosen the screw. Hold the mold and take it out slowly. Now we start to install new mold. Keep the mold surface no dust. To notice the location pin, keep and fix the correct location. It is every mold location pin. Fix the upper mold screw. Then we install the bottom forming mold. Keep the surface no dust. Keep the edge alien parallel. Fix the screw. Connect the air pipe. Finally, we install the array mold. Notice the location pin. Fix the screw and the forming station installation will be finished.